The dish towels I bought from this brand are really high quality. They're 100% cotton. The edge of this towel is perfect for blanket stitching, so I really like it. Look how nice this one turned out. Let me show you what arrived for me today. Shall we open it together? Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the channel. I'm Ju, a crochet teacher from JNY Crochet, and today I'm here to share with you some items I bought myself. Yeah, I bought some dish towels here because I've been making a lot of crochet edgings. I teach a lot of crochet edging patterns. I do a lot of crochet edgings here on the channel for you, and I've also shared a lot of crochet edgings in the crochet club. I'm doing a series there. For those who are my students, this edging will be there very soon. If it's not there yet, it will be there very soon for those who are my students in the crochet club. If you're not one of my students yet, there's a link in the video description so you can join. And since I've been using a lot of dish towels, I made a purchase. I've already used quite a few. Look, these ones are really pretty. Look how nice this one turned out. And then I made it in pink, green, and orange. Tell me in the comments which one you like the most. Ew. And since I found a sale, I decided to buy more dish towels and held myself back so I could come share it with you here. Show you what arrived for me here today. Shall we open it together? So look, this first package here, I can already tell I'm going to fall in love. I already know I'm going to fall in love. I love strawberry themed things. Look, guys, how beautiful this is. There are two of these, see? Kitchen. Look. Beautiful. This one is really beautiful. This one came with two as well. Look. Oh, I fell in love with this one. Look, it's strawberry themed. Very beautiful. Look, it's going to look beautiful. With a red or green border. It even got me excited to make a more elaborate one with little strawberries to teach you all. With some leaves, who knows? Let's see. What am I going to do with this one? I fell in love. This one too, look how beautiful it is, guys. Very beautiful. Theme of breakfast, afternoon snack. The towels from this brand here that I bought are from Tekka. They are very high quality towels. They're 100% cotton. So for anyone who's interested, look, this one is also nice. The pizza one. Pizza House. For anyone interested in buying this same kit that I bought, I'll leave the link for you here in the video description. Or it will also appear on the screen for you, then you can buy the same kit that I bought. It's a really nice promotion that I found, so take advantage and buy it. Whether it's for you to use at home or for you to make and sell, even those who are my students in the Pra Club can take advantage of this promotion too. This link Look how beautiful this is. Oh, this one here. Just like that other one, look. It's because I bought two kits, you know? So there was a duplicate, but that's okay because I loved it. This print. This one with vegetables, look. Very cool too. The colors are vibrant, it's well made. The edge of this towel, look for blanket stitching. It's perfect. So I really like Tika's cloths to do the blanket stitching here. I'm only adding the crochet edging here at the bottom of the cloth, look. But you can do it all the way around too if you want. So it's really nice to use these cloths here to add our crochet edging. Oh, that's cool. The little bread rolls. And this one with cats. Cute. How lovely. Very cool. I loved it. This purchase, I highly recommend it to you all. Mercado Libre. The delivery is super fast. There's free shipping too. So take advantage of it, guys. I'll leave it for you on the screen, okay? Or in the video description, the link so you can buy it. Look how beautiful. There will be something new for you here on the channel soon. Yeah, so go ahead and subscribe. Leave your comment about which lessons you would like to see here. And also, there will be something new soon for you in the club. This edging will go there to the club. If it's not already there, it will be arriving soon. I'll talk to you over there about this edging that you saw there. Look. It's so pretty. You can make it in several colors. And you can adapt it to match the dish towels you have at home or the ones you buy. And I'll show you here. Look, this kit. A hot glue gun kit that I received. Also in this same order that I placed here on Mercado Libre. Look, it arrived just fine. Let me see, that's 12. 12 glue sticks come free with it when you buy the hot glue gun. You get 12 hot glue sticks for free, so I thought that was really cool. The price is super affordable. Mine was already old, it had been bad for a long time, so I finally decided to buy a new one for myself, and I'm recommending it so you can buy one too. You can use it a lot to attach all kinds of things to your crochet projects, okay? So if you use it a lot and you also like hot glue guns, just like I do, you make amigurumi, you do crafts in general, including crochet as well. It's really worth having a hot glue gun at home, okay? So make sure you get yours too. Get your dish towel, get your hot glue gun. Everything through the link I'm leaving here for you. Because then you'll go straight to the deal, and to the seller too, who is trustworthy. I carefully selected it to put here for you. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for your affection. I hope you enjoyed this video I wanted to share with you to show you what I've been doing, what I've been working on around here. A nice little purchase that I also enjoy making. I bought it and liked it. That's why I'm recommending it to you as well. Big hugs to you all. Thank you so much for your affection and see you next time. Bye bye.